Hello viewers. Welcome to my garden. This video shows the benefits of Malunggay or Moringa into our body. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's go. What is Malunggay or Moringa? Malunggay is a plant that grows in the tropical climates such as the Philippines, India, and Africa. It is widely used as vegetable ingredient in cooking, as herbal medicine for a number of illness and other practical uses. The Malunggay plant can grow as high as 9 meters with erect white trunks. The nutrition that we can get from Moringa is that, it has 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 7 times the vitamin C of orange, 4 times the calcium of milk, 3 times the potassium of bananas and 3/4 the iron of spinach. The all part of Moringa from roots to seeds are used for health and nutritional purposes. Here's the 9 benefits of Malunggay or Moringa. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Moringa contains essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, iron, and magnesium. These minerals play crucial roles in bone health, muscle function, and overall vitality. It is rich in antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. Also, it protects and nourishes the hair and skin, treats swell, protect the liver, treat stomach pain, fight food-borne bacterial infections, and improve eye health. 2. Antioxidant properties. Moringa powder can be used to protect tissues liver, kidneys, heart, lungs, and to reduce pain. Antioxidants help protect cells against free radicals, which are produced by digesting food, smoking, and exposure to radiation. Antioxidants from plant-based sources such as Moringa powder are considered best. 3. Boost immune system. Moringa leaves are natural cleansers and help to detoxify the system. This helps to keep the body and increase immunity against various infections. It increases the energy levels in the body. Moringa is rich in iron and vitamin A, just 2 essential components for the normal function of the immune system. 4. Anti-inflammatory. Moringa can not only eliminate pathogens, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and parasites, but also inhibit chronic inflammation, such as asthma, ulcerative colitis, and metabolic diseases. 5. Regulates blood sugar level. The studies prove that Moringa can reduce blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. The leaves are loaded with the antioxidants quercetin, reduces blood pressure, and chlorogenic acid, which helps the body process sugar better and effectively manage insulin. 6. Breastfeeding. For breastfeeding mothers, undoubtedly one of the most amazing benefits of Moringa is that it has been scientifically proven to increase breast milk supply. Moringa leaves are a natural galactagogue, a substance that promotes or increases the flow of a mother's milk. 7. Boost fertility. If you're struggling with infertility, Moringa can help enhance egg production, reduce inflammation, decreases stress, and increase energy. This nutrient-rich superfood can also balance blood sugar levels and hormones, making it an excellent addition to any fertility journey. 8. Promote better sleep. It is confirmed that Moringa can help multiple systems of your body at the molecular level, which can result in better, more restful sleep that leaves you waking refreshed and renewed. That means incorporating Moringa into your daily routine can lead to better, and healthier sleep. 9. Healthy skin and hair. Moringa oils makes it beneficial when used topically as cleansing agent, and as a moisturizer for skin and hair. Moringa has a rich quantity of zinc, vitamin A, and iron, which are very essential for hair growth. Zinc keeps the oil glands in the scalp healthy and nourished. This majorly maintains the scalp environment and makes the scalp apt for hair growth. The antiseptic properties of Moringa are beneficial for your skin. It can be used in case of skin cuts, wounds, abrasions, burn marks, bruises, skin infections, rashes, sunburn marks, and insect bites. Moringa can help prevent acne breakouts in your skin. Here's the summary of Malunggay or Moringa. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. 2. Antioxidant properties. 3. Boost immune system. 4. Anti-inflammatory. 5. Regulates blood sugar level. 6. Breastfeeding. 7. Boost fertility. 8. Promote better sleep. 9. Healthy skin and hair.